Ka tenat pulit ke jela Meghalaya kum kadak ke jing sngo sarong ha ka arpusan terik unaitung arajar arpusan kala penkup buram ya arngut kinong ya lekai ke badai na ka tenat pulit katau Alan Marbanyang bat ka Wandaplin imyong kibala kurta ka Ksiar na ka BHM arajar arpusan Police and Fire Games bala Pynlong Dangshan ha Birmingham, Alabama ka United States of America. Alan ulayo Korea kata Ksiar nakakandai pau kilo wrestling kibalai pau snam shaneng right hand katba ka Wandaplin pat kala job shijer kita Ksiar nakahandripusan kilo wrestling kibalai pau snam shaneng ka way naka left hand bat ka way pat naka right hand. Ha ka jingelang pinkop buram yakini ki arngut ha kan ka step ha ususo tham auditorium lawan banyadon lang da uba preston tinsong simbut menteri rang ba ka jela badai pet ya katanat kampo yengkum ukongsan uba Shakler Wardri menteri katanat sports uba DP Waklang IAS chief secretary kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS director general of police ka jela ki officer pulit lem kiwei.
We have two special human beings, being our own daughter, Wandaplin Shillong, being our own son, Alan Marbanyang, of the Home Department, and also the citizen of the state of Meghalaya. The whole state this moment congratulate the achievement made and also the laurels brought by you to a small state like Meghalaya. To get gold medal in the universe, I think it is only a dream for the state of Meghalaya, being the smallest state. But let me tell you, it has happened through our brother and sister, and I'm very sure it will also be inspired to all of us today and also in the days to come. Friends, let me tell you, the state sports policy is now being implemented, it is now being enforced. Our sports minister has just mentioned that special recognition will be followed for these two young son and daughter of the state of Meghalaya. And let me tell you, in the policy, if you go through line by line, clause by clause, there is a provision which was already provided that special recognition, especially for those employees who already in the government, promotion has to be considered to them. That is one special role. Number two, even as a token of love and respect, special assistance will also be given to you. I will not tell you the amount. You please read out the policy by yourself. So let me just tell you one thing. You must have seen the humble beginning done by the government. We have tried our best to bring in new initiatives. Because when we talk about sports, it closely relates to our young girls and young boys. My dear young friends, please read out those blueprints that we laid down. And you will get inspired if you spend your time at least 1 hour to read out the policy that we laid. I think not less than 37 disciplines state government is recognizing these 37 plus disciplines in the state of Meghalaya, out of which maybe 1 or 2 disciplines you take it up and please specialize.
Habatin, pej bahagi Ksiar plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya Ksiar plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka Ksiar. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka Ksiar plus F menta kasni.
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.